Welcome back to our channel, Learn Now You Learning Partner. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating concept of string functions and how they can revolutionize your data manipulation tasks. So, let's get started. SQL string functions are incredibly useful when it comes to manipulating text data within your database. Whether you're extracting specific information, modifying strings, or even performing complex pattern matching, string functions have got you covered. With substring function, you can extract a specific portion of a string based on its starting position and length. Imagine having a large text field and only needing a small piece of it. Substring is your go-to tool. Here's an example query. Select substring, order description, 1, 50, from tbl_trn_order. This query will retrieve the first 50 characters from the order description column in our order table. It's that simple. Another handy string function is replace. It does exactly what its name suggests. It replaces occurrences of a specified substring with another string. This can be incredibly useful when you need to clean up your data or make specific modifications. Let me show you an example. Select star from tbl_mst_customers. Here email end with @gmail.com. We will replace it by @hotmail.com, so the query will be update tbl_mst_customers set email equals replace email @gmail.com @hotmail.com. With this single query, we can easily update all email addresses from our old domain to our new domain. It's a massive time saver. Beyond substring and replace, there's a whole suite of string functions available, such as upper and lower for changing the case of text, len for determining the length of a string, and like for pattern matching using wildcards. These functions offer endless possibilities. In conclusion, mastering string functions in SQL opens up a world of possibilities for efficient data manipulation. By leveraging these powerful tools, you can save time, streamline your queries, and extract valuable insights from your database. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this exploration of string functions in SQL both enlightening and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to never miss an update.